This video brings you the mining tutorial for IceRiver AE0. First, we connect the power cable properly. Then insert this 5.5 direct current connector into the power port. To complete this power connection first before plugging into your socket. Here is an Ethernet port. Here is a Wi-Fi interface. You can plug into both simultaneously. If you have a Wi-Fi antenna, you can also connect your Wi-Fi antenna. AE0 supports connection via either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. If you bought an external fan, remember to buy one with this kind of 5 volts USB port. Then we simply plug it into this port, and the fan will start operating. Remember, the air outlet must face upwards. This will assist its heat dissipation. Regarding the mounting method, if you lack suitable screws, you can use 2 zip ties, or simply bind it with 2 wires. Now we have successfully booted up. After confirming all hardware is properly connected, we need to find the machine's IP address. There are 2 methods to find IceRiver's IP address. First method, visit IceRiver's official website. Scroll to the bottom, locate the tutorial section. Download the batch processing tool here, available in Chinese and English. Click to download. After download completes, copy the compressed package to a folder. Click to extract. After extraction, here is the miner tool application. Open IceRiver's group control software. Click Miner IP. Enter the IP address starting with correct prefix. Ignore the suffix. Click Save. Check this connected box, then click Scan. After waiting briefly, you'll see an IceRiver machine has been scanned. This is your machine's IP address. Directly click with mouse to access the miner's backend. Username is admin. Password is 1 to 8. You've now successfully accessed your miner's backend. Second method to find miner IP address. Access your router's backend. Manually try each address. Theoretically, it should be your most recent IP address. This also successfully accesses your miner's backend. Today I'll demonstrate using DXPool. Remember before mining to register your main account and sub-account. Locate the ALEO section. Here you'll see an address dedicated for IceRiver. Do not copy the wrong one. Copy this address. Go to Miner Backend. Find the second column mining setting. Paste the address here. All 3 addresses can be identical. Worker name must not be your wallet address. Directly enter your sub-account name. Otherwise, payment cannot be processed. When entering here, add a dot, for example with 2 machines. Label as 01. Copy the above to the fields below. Password can be arbitrary. Click Save. Here is a fan option. Let's check it. Can set fan to 95% or desired speed. If firmware update is needed, go to the firmware upgrade section. Download from IceRiver's official website. Upload directly here. For those needing Wi-Fi, go to the bottom Wi-Fi settings section. Click your desired Wi-Fi network. Click Connect. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Click Verify. Your Wi-Fi is now connected. After connecting to Wi-Fi, if you unplug the Ethernet cable and hash rate shows 0, or machine shows red light, simply unplug the power and restart it. Friends interested in IceRiver AE0 or other ALEO mining machines, welcome to our WOYU channel, or join our Telegram group for inquiries to get latest mining machine information and best prices.